From automation to robotics, mechatronics have been changing the realms of technology, from cars down to industrial devices and all electromechanical devices or systems all works on the same process. Mechatronics combine different engineering perspectives to advance our technological civilization. And it mainly comprises of a lot of fields. Example, mechanical, computer, electronics or electrical, and telecommunication a lot. And it's a very versatile course. Now, in this video, I'm gonna clarify the usage of two programming languages, which is Python or C++, within an automation system or robotic system or mechatronic system. Just choose one. Performance of a system is very crucial to the engineer, because when it comes to performance, it actually deals with speed. The way computer takes in data, compute data, and gives the result out within a robot architect is something crucial to a robotic architect designer. And if it takes much time for a chip or a language to compile data, then it is actually dangerous to both the engineer and the client or whatsoever, or the company. Now, though I want you to understand, C++ is a great language to maximize, and Python is useful for anything that does not involve too much computation process, because Python interprets your code line by line. It uses an interpreter, while C++ is a compiler language. It compiles your code, it interacts with your hardware. You can even interact with your memory with Python, which makes the process even fast and cool. I'm not gonna touch the electronics part of an automation system right now, because it is very crucial and very broad. So I'm going to touch the application part, the software programming part, and the GUI or whatsoever part. Now, let's assume you want to build a mobile robot with wheels, and you actually want it to move, within the electronic system. When signals are being transferred when data are being transferred in form of signals to the microcontroller. The microcontroller does three things, or microprocessor. They take data, they update data, and they write data, and they make use of the data to causes changes within the robotics environment, behavioral changes within the robotic environment. So, and when it comes to computing data within 100 hertz per second, I'm talking about the frequency, because for a microcontroller to take data, process it, and make it useful, it has to be something really fast. Let's take, for instance, your robot wants to determine if an object is at its front. Then it has to take data from a sensor, process it, and with the behavioral code program into the robot, and it should take some decision and know what to do. So when it comes to the software part, and let's say for instance, look at the CAM software that converts a 3D body into G code, which will be used by a CNC machine. In a CNC machine, the microcontroller takes the huge thousands of lines of G code and convert them into voltage to drive the spindle, in a CNC machine. And it works on a lot of algorithms which I don't know, and we won't cover that in this video. So for Python to compile such huge amount of data like that, then it is very slow and annoying. So I advise any engineer, if you actually want to go into the manufacturing world or industrial world, you really wanna make your robot for service, then you actually need C++, because it is versatile, it is generally accepted, and it is fast for your robot.